How to access memories on Snapchat web. The first things first is just pull up or access your preferred web browser. Now I'm going to be using my Google Chrome for this tutorial. And then once you pull it up, just simply type in Snapchat. And from here, all you have to do is just to tap on Snapchat that now on the web. Now once you click on that, you'll be routed to this page. And then you'll just have to completely log into your current account. Now, once you're logged in, I just want to mention that there is no actual or there is no quick process on accessing or pulling up your memories here on Snapchat web. But the other thing that we can do is just to manually downloading that specific memories. So all I have to do once you're completely logged in, just click on your profile picture or your emoji right here. Go to account settings. Now from account settings, go to my data. Now from here, these are all the features or the files that you can go ahead and download. Now since we're only talking about the memories and other media, now let's just go ahead and untick unnecessary files right here for us to be able to quickly download only the memories. Now once only the memories and other media is only ticked, just go ahead and click on next. And then from here, you can go ahead and add or customize the span of the date in which that specific memories you would like to download. Now, once you have set up that date on the calendar, all you have to do is to confirm your email address associated with your Snapchat account. And once you submit, all the memories according to the schedule that you have customized here on the calendar will be downloaded and will be sent directly to your email address. So that's how easy and quick you can access memories on the Snapchat web.